more. But Mr. President, distinguished colleague, let me just show you a slide, Mr. President, because we want to know the right figures. There was a time when Bagyong Christine, if I'm not mistaken, and some other typhoons hit the country. There were some influential people who made a statement that we don't know what we are talking about with regard to flood control programs of the government. In fact, Mr. President, there is an influential individual who said that there's no billion-peso funding for flood control in Bicol. And I'm sure our good Senate President would attest to this. Mr. President, we have done our research and our information is definitely contrary to these claims. May we know, just for the record, Mr. President, I'm sorry, we don't have a bigger caption here. There you go. Mr. President, may we ask the Department of Public Works and Highways to verify this claim? How many billions have been allocated to various flood control projects in 2023 and in 2024, Mr. President?
We only have for Region 5.
Yes, Mr. President, just talking about Region 5, Mr. President.
In 2023, there were 421 flood control projects, of which 353 projects were completed. The total that have been spent for the completed ones is 23,597,079,000. And there are the ongoing projects. There is 5,886,500 ongoing projects for 2023. Now, for 2024, completed 47 projects, 2,982,942.
Yes, Mr. President, if I may, I know that the good sponsor is talking about the projects, completed projects.
But there's an ongoing, Mr. President.
Yes. What I'm asking, Mr. President, is because just a couple of weeks ago, some influential people, even some members of the other house, is saying that there's no billions of funds allocated for Bicol region. And so, Mr. President, just to set the record straight, and this is what we wanted to accomplish right now, let me show you, Mr. President, the 2023 budget based on the General Appropriations Act. If we can show the slide, please. In 2023, Mr. President, it was submitted that in Region 5, Mr. President, there is 29.463 billion pesos allocated for the entire region, Mr. President. And I'm looking at and showing in this August chamber the 2023 General Appropriations Act. Now, in 2024, Mr. President, we look at the budget for flood management program, major river basins and principal rivers, convergence and special support program. You have the CPAG, you have the BIP, and the total is amounting to 31.942 billion. I just wanted to find out, Mr. President, if these figures are accurate, Mr. President, based on GAA and the submission given to us by the Department of Public Works and Highways.
You are absolutely correct, Mr. President, for 2024 and for 2023.
Thank you, Mr. President. That's all I'm asking because I wanted to prove a point, Mr. President, that when we make a statement here in the Senate, we double check and we see to it that our figures are correct.